Hello mga kasipat! Good evening mga kasipat! Mga kasipat, kakain tayo mga kasipat. So, I have something here mga kasipat. Say rice. At syempre mga kasipat, chili garlic mga kasipat. Oh. This is very sarap mga kasipat, chili garlic. Wow! And mga kasipat, we have to fried fish. Wow! Very delicious mga sibat. And we have tinula mga sibat. Tinula.
Right.
Thank you. Yes, bulat. Bulat. Super. Ang very sarap mga sibat. Very sarap. After playing pickleball mga sibat, you need to eat mga sibat because it's very hungry to after playing pickleball. So that's why we need to eat like this mga sibat in order to regain the energy that we lost from the playing. Very delicious mga sibat. More sabaw.
Ay, naku, sipon.
Very nice, very delicious mga sibat. It's very tasty. Oh. More rice. And more chili garlic. Ang sarap. More bulat. Thank you, Dodo. My assistant, Dodo. Say hi. My assistant, Dodo. Hi, my assistant.
Hello, bakit si Bate?
That's my assistant. My cute little Dodo. Are you okay? Okay. Very delicious mga sibat. Very much mga kasibat. I love you.